SP. Yes.
Frying pan, we just had coffee cars here at Coffee Project. As a coffee lovers, we need it talaga. Angela had coffee while I had ice macadamia since I had 1 cup of coffee already sa bahay before kami umalis. And then we had a late lunch also because we suddenly felt hungry. So we decided to have lunch first before we got what we needed. So ito na yung order ko na ice macadamia. I really like this one here at Coffee Project. Masarap kasi siya at hindi masyadong sweet. At gusto din to ng mga anak ko. Pero si Angela ayaw niya kasi sobrang sweet lang daw para sa kanya. And then maya-maya konti. So ito na yung order namin na lunch. I ordered chicken, tapos si Angela egg with fried bangus. Kasi namiss daw niya kumain ng bangus sa Pancake House. Kaya sarap na sarap talaga siya sa kinakain niya. At masarap din yung chicken nila dito guys. At hindi din masyadong fried. And after namin kumain, umakyat na kami sa taas since nasa taas lang yung old home. Super convenient na talaga since may Vista Mall na malapit sa amin. Madali na lang kung may bibilhin ka at mag-grocery ka. So we're here at old home na. Masarap talaga sa mata magtingin-tingin ng mga gamit para sa bahay, no? Ako kasi gusto ko talaga. Nakaka-happy kasi for me. So we're here in the kitchen area na guys and we're just looking around muna and after nakakita si Andrew nitong blue na frying pan pero hindi niya bet kaya naghanap kami ng iba at nakita namin tong Tefal brand kaya ito binili niya at yung saucepan na Tefal din yun din ang binili namin. And after nag-ikot-ikot muna kami tapos yan may nakita kaming salamin. So yan sabi ko kay Angela, dear merit check muna tayo. Kaya yan nag-smile ka agad siya. And after bumaba na kami para magbayad, kasi nasa baba kasi yung cashier nila. Tapos after namin magbayad, umuwi natin kami afterwards since wala naman kami kailangan bilhin pa. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye! Hi guys! For today's vlog, Angela and I go to buy a frying pan and a soft.
Go. Quachipo.